there is that which is. But you are. We are the same. There are frequencies of experience aligning with yours. Ours is one of them. You have the option still to choose, but love is always in the highest. Anything else is a lie, a deviation of sorts. There's time outside of your time for experiencing. And knowing now is not quite that time. It is the time of trust and faith. And knowing all will be well. All is well. We just await your sight and heart recognizing this. Of course, it's yourself. There are different flavors of yourself. And there really is nothing to fear. So that's saying there's nothing. The only thing to fear is fear itself. That's a lie. The fear would have you fear it. So, yeah, just share this message. Safe to say, now that is a message from, to be considered, the bird tribes. They're in alignment with the high support, always. Peace and love. Bye, y'all.